పక్క జిప్పు తీసు Udaipur, which was formerly called Mewar, Jodhpur, formerly called Marwar, and Jaipur, which was formerly called Amer. Amer Rajput kings had a very good relationship with Mughal Empire. Not like us. We were totally orthodox. We always choose that mothers, dignity, and self-respect is everything. On the other hand, Jaipur kings had maintained the relationship with that. So we were also very, I should say, not that good understanding. But in the sense, we give quiet to Jaipur. Look at the dynasty chart. This dynasty is world's longest serving dynasty. Look at the first point. From 6th century dynasty started and till now they are ruling. The 77th king is still present in the palace here. And he became king. He became king last year when his father passed away. We all know India is a democratic place and we all have a local judge. So all the kings from movement are symbolic. So he became king last year when his father passed away. A coronation ceremony happened in the palace and he became the king. But practically the king for the moment is a businessman. He's a businessman. He's a businessman. Okay. The last guy is a 6-year-old boy, future king. Who is religious? Are you religious? राम भगवान के कितने बेटे हैं? अभी बोला आपको religious. How many sons Lord Rama had?
Yes. So
Two Christians, right?
yeah.
Christian को भी बात नहीं करता है. Rama had 2 sons. 11 sons. So Jaipur royal family are the descendants of Kusha. Absolutely. So they are from Suryavanshi. We are also from Suryavanshi. So Jaipur royal family are the descendants of Kusha. Rama's son Kusha. And Udaipur royal family are the descendants of Dava. Rama's son Dava. So actually they are descendants of Rama. Both of them. Exactly. Jaipur family and Udaipur family. Okay. So see, we have on the right here Rama because of their Rama. On the left, can you see that? That three-phase structure which is called Shublinga. Did you notice, ma'am? All the kings are having the title of Maharana instead of Raja or Maharaja. Why? Maharana, everybody is having that. And some of the kings having title of Ravan. And both titles are present in something which is called warrior. Meaning of that both title is warrior. All the kings always believe that we are just warrior, we are not king. They always believe that king is Shiva. We are just serving the state progress of Shiva. It's so beautiful, like you remove arrogance from your mind. We always believe that Shiva is the main king, we are just custodians who is serving the mother. That is why they are having the title of Maharana. The most popular one is 54, Maharana, who fought against Mughal Empire and Mughal Emperor. Now we are going to see the army. Why? Because he was the king who firstly defended Mughal Emperor Babur. He defeated Babur twice. On the third, he got cannons with them. Okay, from Persia. So cannons was used in India first time against him only, and he had no idea.
Big balls are used.
No. As I told you before, relations. Two things for different types. And they are different states. But still some of them are having good relations. We were totally orthodox. So Jaipur family maintained relations with them. Even they got married down in front of us. And Mahana Ram Singh Ji Mahana Sangha, he fought against Babur. Twice he defeated him. On the third time, Babur fought cannon against him. He was defeated in that battle, which was happened in 1527, close to Delhi, at the area of Khan. And after his defeat, Mughal Empire grew. Babur, Humayun, Jahangir, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah, Jafar, Khan, just because of the weapon. We were not having a in front of each other. Suddenly he and his army saw that something falling from the sky and what is that? So the people they lost their confidence. They ran back. And the king was only left there. Then he was not prepared at that. He is not having any ear, eye, hand and nothing. And the entire body was having 18 years. He fought about 101 fights. And all the fights he continuously. But the last fight he was defeated by Babur. So it's not easy that in a one fight he was having one fight. In 100 fights.